I hope this video doesn't put a strike against my channel, but we're going to take a chance right after this. All right, guys, so like I said before, hopefully this video doesn't put a strike against the channel. I'm not actually smoking cigars. I know YouTube has a laundry list of rules and stuff when it comes to talking about tobacco products and smoking and things of that nature and alcohol on their channel, okay, so, or on their platform. But this is more of a laser cut design project type thing than it is advocating cigar smoking. Okay, so what this is my own design. This is my own cigar infuser. All right. If you look here on Amazon, man, they have a ton of different configurations of cigar infusers that you can buy from anywhere from $10 all the way up to $300. Okay, and I took a chance and bought one of these $20-something cigar infusers, and let me show you what I got. It's a cheap Chinese knockoff. Nothing's glass, nothing is, it's all plastic. It's a bunch of junk, actually. This is pressed wood. This is terrible. This was a waste of money, okay? I think if you're going to buy anything off Amazon to infuse cigars, I would probably, if you're not spending, a couple of $100 on a good infuser, then you're wasting your money, I think. The only thing off of Amazon that I bought that was really nice were these tubes. These glass tubes here ran about $17 a piece. And so I bought 5 of them because I wanted 5 tubes, okay? And it's all glass. It's got the infuser bulb in the bottom. It's got the cork in the top. And so we just measured them out and we made this cigar infuser. I'll be having this cigar infuser, the design, on our Etsy page, Precious Engravings, if you want to purchase it and try to make it yourself, okay? The fit, it fits good. It's not one of those snug fits, so, but you're still gonna have to super glue it together or wood glue it together. So we glued it, we stained it, and I'll show you some of the features, some of the things that we did to it, just to kind of resolve some issues that I thought I might have in using this thing. So let me bring you closer. All right, guys, so like I said, this is the infuser design here. A lot of them are, you find on Amazon, are just like 1 or 2 poles that hold the tubes up, but I wanted something a little bit more sturdy, so you can see how it's designed here with the narrow to wide side here and the wide base to make sure nothing tips over, okay? There's 2 brackets here with the holes in it for the tubes to fall into, all right? And we had measured these almost exactly, but they wasn't sitting quite level. So I cut these rings here to give it a little bit of lift. So here are the rings that we cut, and it'll give it a little bit of lift. So the ring goes around the neck, and then this goes into the hole, and they all sit pretty level, okay? Before they were kind of wobbling, so that was an added addition. Also, I didn't know how I was going to remember what liquor was in each one of these bulbs down here, because I'm going to put different liquors in here, but the same cigar. So I thought about putting labels on them, and but I didn't want to mess with that. So I put a board down here from 1 through 5 next to or in front of each one of the tubes. And then that way I can write down on a piece of paper what alcohol was in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? Like I said, this design, all of this will be on our Etsy page, and I'll put a link in the description block if you guys are interested in purchasing this, if you got a laser and making this yourself, okay? We assembled this with Starbond thin glue or super glue with the activation spray. So, and then we stained it a dark special walnut color. Okay. I made this little box here with this hole in it where you can sit the bulb in if you're having issues putting the liquor into the bulb. So here's the bulb here. This sits in here. It helps you stand up. You put your liquor in there and you can attach it back to the tube. Okay. So that's about it. There are a lot of improvements can be made to this, but this is our design. All right. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and put some alcohol in these bulbs and let's drop some stogies. All right, guys, so that's it. We're all set up. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave these to infuse, but I'll try these cigars after about a week and give it plenty of time to try to infuse these alcohol flavors into the cigars, okay? The cigars that I'm using are Drew Estate Legends. I like those cigars. They're very smooth, but they don't really have any, they're just mild, so they should accept the flavor from the whiskeys pretty well, okay? But we will see, all right? So I do like infused cigars. I've bought them before online, all right? So what we have here is, and I wrote all of my flavors down in the proper order, like I told you I would. So this is Scatterbrain #1. This is Scatterbrain PB&J. This one is Scatterbrain Dark Cherry Vanilla. This one's Crown Royal Salted Caramel. This one is Crown Royal Chocolate. And the last one is ABK6 Cinnamon. Okay, so that's it. So like I said, if you're interested in getting one of these, check out the link below. It'll take you to our Etsy site and you can purchase this. I'm not quite sure how much we're going to sell the designs for just yet. But by the time this video release, we'll be had the link set up and the pricing and everything decided upon. All right, and that's about it. So hey, once again, hey, thanks for joining us for an episode of Bad Beast Studios. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, let us know in the comment blocks. And hey, if you like infused cigars, hey, hit me up in the comment blocks and let me know what you like and maybe what you like to see in the future. Okay, so but hopefully, like I said, we don't get a strike on this video because we're not smoking on here. I'm not advocating cigars. I'm just showing you this nice project design we made, and it's made out of 6mm thick wood, so it's really sturdy. Okay, it's not the 3mm thin wood. Okay, so that the design is set up to cut in a laser 5 to 6mm wood. All right, thick wood. So well, that's about it. So hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the studio.